1 mole magnesium in the vapor state absorbed 1200 kilojoule of energy. Delta HI1, delta HI2 of magnesium are given. The final composition of the mixture is, you see, 1 mole magnesium absorbing 1200 kilojoule, while the first ionization enthalpy 750, second ionization enthalpy 1450, right? You see, suppose you are taking magnesium 1 mole converted to Mg plus, and from there it is converted to Mg2 plus. For this conversion you need 750. For this conversion you need 1450. So for total conversion you need 750 plus 1450. Etraya 200 kilojoule. This much energy is required per mole for 1 mole conversion. Isn't it correct? 1450. Yes. 200 kilojoule is the energy required for the complete conversion of 1 mole magnesium. But that is not absorbed. Absorbed quantity is only 1200. Absorbed quantity is only 1200 kilojoule. If there is this much, you will get entire 1 mole converted. Now it is clear that 1 mole conversion will not happen completely. So what is going to happen? Let's see. Suppose I am taking 1 mole here. Initially here it is 0. Here also 0. Now 750 joule, out of this 750 is consumed. You can see 1 mole converted to this, and this becomes 0 and this becomes 1 mole. And now the consumed energy is 750. This much consumed because 1 mole converted to 1 mole. Okay, fine. So how much is remaining? Out of 1200, 750 consumed. And 1 mole of this converted to this. Just imagine. So what remaining is how much? 450 remains. Now using 450, can this entire conversion take place? No. Because for the entire conversion of this you need 1450. For 1 mole to be converted, you need 1450. We have only 450. So how much it will be converted? For 1 mole conversion, you need 1450. Here the energy available is only remaining 450. So how much conversion will take place? How much conversion will take place? Very simple. It is 450 by 1450, approximately 500 by 1500. That is approximately 1 by 3. That is some 33%. Isn't it? Some 33%. Approximately. I am talking approximately. So the conversion here to here happening is only 1/3. 1/3 conversion takes place. So out of 1 mole, only 1/3 will be converted. So here available will be Mg2 plus we are going to get will be only 1/3 mole. That is some 33% approximately. That will be Mg2 plus. Quite naturally, this will be some 67%. So this will be some 67%. This will be some 33%. And hence you can select which will be the correct answer. See what I said, figures are approximate. Suppose there is a close figure, we have to work out further. 31 Mg plus and 69 Mg2 plus wrong. 69 Mg plus 31 Mg2 plus. That will be the correct answer. That will be the correct answer. Some 69% there will be Mg plus remaining, and some 31% Mg2 plus formed. Hope the calculation is clear. So the total energy absorbed is 1200. out of which 750 consumed, 1 mole converted to this, and this remaining is 0. Now this is 1 mole. So 1 mole to be entirely converted to this, you need this much. So 1 mole conversion, you need this much. What energy you have is 1200. Now this much is consumed already here, remaining 450. Using 450, how much fraction you can convert? It is 450 by 1450, close to 500 by 1500. That is 1/3 conversion taking place. That means some 33% it will be converted from Mg plus to Mg2 plus. So Mg2 plus formed is somewhat 33%. And Mg plus remaining will be somewhat 67%. That somewhat figure will take you to the answer. Right? Option B, correct.